Hi, Sheila here from Satin Crystals, and today we're going to be talking about crystal eggs, their meanings, their metaphysical properties, and how to use them in practical everyday life, plus your crystal healing practice. The egg symbolizes new beginnings, birth, life force, virility, fertility, youthfulness. And because of all of these properties, the egg is also the symbol of the spring. So crystal eggs have a lot of different metaphysical uses, but I'm just going to go over 3 for you right now so you can get started on some ideas. Number 1, crystal eggs are great for breaking bad habits. So crystal eggs are all about rebirth. They help you shed those old negative emotions and patterns. So what you want to do in this case is set your intention, surround yourself with crystal eggs, and focus on the new healthy thought patterns. Number 2, crystal eggs are perfect for manifesting. So manifestation, you just want to write out your manifestation list of all the goals that you'd like to achieve, and then you can take some crystal eggs, 1 or 2 in your hand, and read your list out loud, and the eggs will help to speed along your manifesting goals. And number 3, we have prayer and meditation. So the egg is all about miracle of life, and it can also bring you other miracles as well. So you want to hold your crystal egg in between your hands while you're meditating or praying, and have the vibrations increase your thoughts and desires and send them out to the universe. Let's go over 3 ideas for practical uses of crystal eggs. So besides their metaphysical uses, you can use eggs in a variety of ways, and we have a lot more ideas on satin crystals. I'll give you 3 today. So number 1 is home decoration. So crystal eggs are perfect for decorating the home. You can place them on stands like this, or in baskets, or as you will in your plants. They're very popular for kitchen decor because the eggs symbolize life and family and nature and abundance. So we will have a whole article about gemstone decorating ideas for eggs and also just gemstones themselves. So make sure to check that out on Satin Crystals. Number 2, we have crystal massage. So in this case, you can see that the egg shape fits perfectly in the palm of your hands. The pointy end can be used for tense knots in your shoulders or wherever you have. It's great for acupressure. The bottom end is nice and smooth, so you can rub like whole swaths of area for a more gentle massage. You can also use eggs for your facial massage. So some people use the jade rollers and scrapers for their facial rejuvenation. You can use crystal eggs for the same thing as well. And number 3 is the gemstone yoni egg. So this, we don't particularly sell crystal eggs for yoni purposes because it's not really encouraged by medical professionals. However, when you look on Google and you search for how to use crystal eggs, you'll see that maybe 99% of the articles are all about yoni eggs. Ours is maybe one of the only ones that is not. So what yoni eggs is that it came from many centuries ago, but is now a hot, popular trend again. And women place little crystal eggs up their genitals to help strengthen the pelvic floor. And so we would encourage you to talk to your gynecologist to see if it's something that you want to partake in or not. Easter is all about the celebration of life, and crystal eggs are all about rebirth and rejuvenation. Throughout the centuries, all kinds of eggs have been traded for Easter, from chocolate eggs to plastic eggs to chicken eggs. If you want a deeper meaning and something everlasting, we recommend trading and gifting gemstone eggs. And each gemstone egg has a different healing property. I'm going to go over 3 of them for you here, and then the rest of them you can find on our Easter egg article on Satin Crystals. Lapis is an ideal gemstone for channeling Jesus Christ consciousness. It teaches the spiritual way and gives you awareness of the big picture. Pick lapis eggs to open your eyes to a new dimension this spring. Malachite is a thriving and abundant spring stone. If you like to see your physical and metaphysical garden bloom, choose lucky malachite. Pick malachite eggs if you want your world to thrive and abundance to come your way. Chalcopyrite eggs are the true celebration of life. They remind you to indulge in your surroundings no matter where you are. Pick chalcopyrite eggs if you're looking to have a bright and optimistic Easter. Do you use crystal eggs in your healing practice? Have you used them or traded them for Easter? What's your favorite gemstone egg? We'd love to hear your comments and stories, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them here or directly at Satin Crystals. Thanks for watching. We do invite you to come subscribe to our channel for additional crystal healing videos, and also come join our Satin Crystals VIP club for members-only specials throughout the year. As always, thank you for your positive energy at Satin Crystals.